getting our first drone and flying for the first time.
There's an aeroplane sitting right there. These aeroplanes of today, they come in a box.
Yeah.
Where's my certificate? I'm a pilot, you know. I gave you. Where's my certificate? I left my certificate over there.
No, you brought it.
My certificate?
Yeah.
No, there's something I put in your pocket. That's just the bottle thing.
Ah.
Yeah. Let's see. Original OG. They can do anything. My magic fox. You hear the sound?
Yeah.
That's the sound of genuine. You might be confused. See, this thing is equivalent to buying a car. That little box. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that?
That's a car.
The feet from Japan and ship it all the way from Shika.
Ah.
It's equivalent to Shika. You got Shika in your country, right?
No. What is
You don't have Shika?
No.
Those small cars that they carry people around.
You mean the Bajaj?
Like a small taxi or something.
You mean the one with 3 legs?
No.
That's a motorbike. There's like maybe 2 of them, 3 or something.
You know like the blue car parked outside?
Which blue car?
The Honda blue car parked outside. Honda Fit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's the one they use for Shika. For running people around across the city center.
Ah, that's what you guys do. As we use an IST Vitz. You know the Vitz?
The Vitz?
IST.
Yeah, that is the Vitz.
Is it?
But here they call it a different name.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. We use a Vitz because it like has very low consumption in oil.
Look at that one.
Wait, let me zoom it.
All the wonders, first product. Okay, that's the one. Actually, you know what? That's beauty.
Yeah.
Very cool. That's actually my favorite. 120 meters. 120 meters is not a joke.
Is it 100? What's this 120?
No,
This was the 5,000.
Apparently, the limit you can fly up is 110 meters. Can't go, according to UK law, you can't go beyond that. Because you'll be reaching the airspace.
So that means if we're like in other countries, we will go.
You need to find out first before others will be in trouble. Anyway.
Do you have like some sort of manual that you have to go from?
Yeah. You are good at that yourself. So, Miss Lady, give the secretary.
Okay, so this is like another number.
Another number, 3 different numbers.
Quick stuff, guys.
I thought you speak Chinese.
You said this is not from China. What happened?
No, it's not from China. But however, it's for Chinese market.
I get it.
Let me try the rest. It doesn't hurt.
No worries. Let me try it on you. Let me try it on you. It doesn't hurt. Welcome to our channel, The World of Wonders. We want you to know that we appreciate you for viewing this video. Please leave us a comment below of what location or site in United Kingdom and Europe at large that you want us to document next. So everything was going well until I accidentally dropped the DJI batteries on the floor and the atmosphere just changed. I'm sure it's not broken. I'm sure it's not broken. I'm sure they're not broken. Come on.
You put it back there again, you know the video on the floor.
It's not funny, but I don't think a fall from here to there.
Yes, it can damage this. So why is it not charging then? Phone and light them with one of your batteries was not working.
Let's see what it says when you're charging. About charging. For some reason, the DJI battery charging system can only charge one battery at a time. So you can plug all the 3 batteries that come with the Marvic Air combo, but only one battery will be charged at any given time. I can imagine the number of people who might have thought that their battery were broken, just like Mr. T over here. Thank God we did not go running back to Curry's for new batteries just because we did not take time to study the manuals.
So if your drone battery gets too hot, the smart battery or the controller can say, stop charging this battery because it's starting to get dangerously hot for the polymer composite inside.
Reading can be a difficult task to do. However, we used YouTube to figure out everything about the drone and how to operate it. We did stumble upon so much errors when placing the wings on the drone, but we were able to finally figure that out. Just let us know if you guys want a tutorial video on how to use the Marvic Air series, including how to deal with the common error messages. We will gladly make that for you. And after a bit of hassle, we were finally able to take it outside. So why did you put a band around it? What's the use?
It's just to keep the blades safe. Apparently, this thing doesn't come with the strap to secure the blades. So you need to figure it out yourself how you're gonna do it.
How did you know that you need a stripe?
I just thought.
So that is like your own
improvising.
Your own trick. That's your own trick.
Yes. Because otherwise the blade will be flying everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now to remove the gimbal cover. Take this one off. And you can see the thing is now moving around. Okay, the camera.
Can I see?
See the gimbal, that one, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Free moving. Cool. Now,
You'll be controlling that with your
remote
phone.
control. Yeah.
Okay.
So can I say remote control? Right. Now the legs. So those. Nice.
It looks like
Turn
some
it,
sort of a wild cat, you know?
turn it on. Press once. Continuous press. Right. So almost.
Don't you need to open the... So what do you see here on your camera? I want to see what you see.
No, not yet. Hold on. Yeah.
What's your password?
Right, okay. DJ Fly, which I already downloaded it. Now, I need to turn that on.
Oh, you have low battery.
Yeah.
Does it charge your phone as well?
Supposedly, it's supposed to be charging my phone. But I don't know whether
It happens or not?
yeah.
Okay.
Right, this is what I can see right now. So
Oh.
it's still on the floor.
Oh, okay.
Right, see that button there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you press it. Takes you to the screen there.
Yeah.
So press it continuously. Goes green. Then
Wow.
it starts. Up. Yeah.
Let me stand. Yeah.
Right. So to go up, that's gonna go up.
So you
Okay.
focus on what you want and everything.
Yeah. You see.
Oh, you're going forward. Oh.
I'm going forward.
Oh yes, going forward.
Now if I go up,
Yeah.
right.
I can't see it anymore. It's lost. Oh, it's there. How did you go? How do you go down?
Go down just this way.
Down.
Yeah.
Oh, which one? Is it this one?
Is it this one?
Down. That is down.
That's down.
Oh yeah, it's coming down.
That's going up.
Yeah. And what does this do?
This one, that's going forward.
Oh,
Forward
yeah.
and back.
It's going forward.
Yeah.
It's going forward.
Now turn it. I can turn it that way. I can turn it that way. You see?
Oh, so this side is sideways. Then up and down is up and down. Then
Yeah, that's going up.
this one is forward.
Forward and back.
Oh, so you have to balance so that the camera would take a nice video.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We look forward to bringing you more interesting content, and I hope you enjoy a sky view of our small town of Helensburgh.